Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria, if you guys don't know, and today it is July 4th, and I'm so excited for it. As you can see, I'm wearing my little black kitty ears. Some people at school only see me wearing my pink ones, but yeah, it's gone. Well, I still have it though. But yeah, I have my dance shirt on because it's red, and I have my blue skirt because it is blue. It has little cute flowers on it. I couldn't find my, okay. I'm coming. Okay. Oh, well, I couldn't find my, hold on. Mommy, let's go! Okay. I call my mommy because my dad told me to. So, I couldn't, oh my god, I couldn't find my shorts. Some people saw me wear this, probably like at school. I had shorts with that if you pulled the pockets down, it had a little flag. No. So I couldn't find it, so now I'm wearing my blue skirt. So yeah, I was gonna wear my unicorn shirt, but I didn't want to because it didn't even have red on it. So yeah, I'm stuck wearing this. I like it though. Where's my jacket?
I don't know. Ask Mama.
I don't know either.
You're gonna need it to cold tonight.
Oh yeah, and tonight we are gonna be seeing fireworks. It's gonna be so cool. I haven't seen fireworks since last July, and I'm so excited to see it. So yes, meow, let's go. Stop making that noise. Jeez. Okay, we are at the stairs. We are gonna go find my jacket, and I think it's in my room. I don't know. Like, I've been feeling these, like, ever since I saw that spider on the couch with me, it was a black widow, and I was, like, so scared. I was like, Grandma, kill it, kill it, kill it. And she killed it, but I think it's still on me. But my parents say it's not on me, and I think it's on me because...
Mama, why are you back in bed?
Because I feel like something's crawling on me, and it scares me a lot. So, like, I don't even want to, like, do anything about it because I'm just too scared about it. So, yeah, basically. Oh, yeah. I'm wearing pink blush. Okay, I'm wearing everything pink, okay? Only my face has everything pink.
Come on, let's go, baby. You need a jacket. Come on.
I might have used my mom's makeup, but she doesn't care anyway, so I'm good. Is my jacket in there?
No.
Oh, well, there's my hat. Sorry about the blackout. It's okay.
Is that my wallet?
Huh? Is that my wallet? No. Okay. Is it downstairs? No.
I think it fell into the crack of the couch.
Yeah, I think it was on the couch earlier.
Yeah, it fell into the couch.
Vicky, you're so helpful. Yeah, check on the back of the couch there. Vicky's on the back.
No, Cilio.
Handkerchief.
It could be over here.
Why is it over here?
I don't know. You put it there.
Did I? Oh, I did put it over there.
I have all the tricks in the bag. I'm so excited, guys. Oh, there's my butter slime.
Let's go, Mama, dude.
Butter slime. I know. I'm a genius. Daddy, I can't find my jacket. Daddy, do you think my jacket's in the car?
No.
Go check in the car. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Where'd you put my jacket?
I didn't do anything.
I didn't do anything either. I don't know where it is.
Go get it.
Okay, I'll go find it. Can't force me to get it. Well, you actually can. Oh, thank you.
Oh, man, that nap.
Oh, yeah, it has blue on it.
What? That nap I took was not helpful. Why? It made me worse. You're more tired now?
Why? Because I randomly woke up thanks to Vicky. So I think I was more so.
Let's grab the chairs.
Dude, to get her jacket. I mean, Mommy.
I have my jacket. yes,
I don't know if there's any room to sit. Oh shoot, we're gonna view it from the car. Okay.
I'll see you guys in the front.
We'll grab Mom. I help Mom grab the chairs. Yeah.
You
Let's go,
should bring water.
Mama, what shoes do I wear?
Dip it in some water and
What?
take it
Really
inside.
with this outfit?
Yeah.
Do I still have my high heels?
No, just wear your flip flops.
I don't know where my flip-flops are.
People wear high heels. You're falling all over the place.
Oh, they're in the car. What are you looking at?
I need lotion on my leg. Look at it, so dry.
Ooh, you look bad. You look bad. For a 16-year-old. No, that's not my brother. My father. The black one's my brother. Sorry. Ugh.
Shoes are there?
Yeah. 2 of them. Bye.
Is he really?
Yeah, I remember he was showing me. He was so proud. I was like, he's like, oh man, my rating increased, this and that. I should have listened to you. I said, now he wants to know. I kind of don't know what he saw.
You better get your jacket.
I got it. Mama, don't worry about me.
Hi guys.
You guys are the ones that always
Yeah.
Oh, Vicky, they can't even see you.
I know. That's why I put an edit on it.
That's not an edit.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. That's a chip lens.
Yeah, exactly.
No,
It's editing my
that's not editing.
colors.
You usually edit before, after the video.
Yeah, duh.
If you're not,
I like
this
this.
is during the video. That would more be, that would more like be a filter.
Yeah, basically.
Oh yeah, basically, that's what it is.
Shut up.
Shut up.
You shut up. Whoa! Yeah.
you worrying about.
Nothing. Because I care about nothing, nothing, nothing. I don't understand you.
Cartima, Rolls Royce. I don't know, you got 10 million of them, and then you got at least have one.
SDCCU has low mortgage rates, and low rates mean more affordable payments. Take advantage of their zero closing cost option on select mortgage loans and get flexibility, stability. Apply for a mortgage
Hi, now I'm upside down, 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 down,
It's
down.
not big bang banking.
I'm upside down. Beep, 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 beep.
For details,
Beep,
call
beep, 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 beep.
877-SDCCU.
Da-di-da-da.
Visit sdccu.com.
Oh my god, you guys should see this. It's so beautiful. Hold on.
Spending tons of money.
Guys, look at it. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh god. Sorry guys, I'm not trying to blind you. I'm serious. I'm not trying to blind you. But it's so beautiful. Okay, you guys can't see anymore. It's too light.
Restrictions apply. Tax due at sale. Coming up in the next 30 minutes, kicking out music discoveries from Rod Kissel, Navigating.
to do.